link reaction. Link reaction, it occurs in the matrix of mitochondria. Glycolysis end products are two molecules of pyruvic acids. Each pyruvic acid contains 3 carbon atoms. The pyruvic acids are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. The 2 molecules of pyruvic acids enter into matrix of mitochondria through the diffusion mechanism. If the 2 molecules are enter into matrix of mitochondria, they are involved in the link reaction. The link reaction occurs in the matrix of mitochondria. Matrix of mitochondria. From each pyruvic acid, 3 carbon atoms are present. Each pyruvic acid, 3 carbon atoms are present. The 3 carbon atom of pyruvic acid convert into 2 molecules of acetyl co-MgMA. 2 carbon atoms of acetyl co-MgMA. 3 carbon atoms of pyruvic acid convert into 2 carbon atoms of acetyl co-MgMA in presence of pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. In presence of pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. In this reaction, co-MgMA is involved and 1 carbon released as a carbon dioxide. 1 carbon released as a carbon dioxide, and also in this reaction 1 NAD plus convert into NADH plus H plus. The 2 carbon atoms of acetyl co-MgMA involved in the Krebs cycle. Involved in the Krebs cycle. Now we discussed Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle first identified by Krebs scientist. So this cycle is called Krebs cycle. In Krebs cycle, first product is citric acid. So this cycle is also called citric acid cycle. Each citric acid containing 3 carboxylic groups. So this cycle is also called tricarboxylic acid cycle or tricarboxylic acid pathway. Now we discussed about the mechanism of Krebs cycle. Mechanism of Krebs cycle. Here it is at end of link reaction. At end of link reaction, 2 carbon atoms of acetyl co-MgMA involved in the Krebs cycle. In Krebs cycle, the first reaction is 2 carbon atoms of acetyl co-MgMA combines with 4 carbon atoms of oxaloacetic acid to form 6 carbon atoms of citric acid or citrate. In this reaction, citrate synthase enzyme is involved and co-MgMA is removed from this reaction, and water molecules also involved in the reaction. The 6 carbon atoms of citric acid formed in the Krebs cycle. It is the first product of Krebs cycle. So this cycle is also called citric acid cycle, citric acid pathway. The citric acid contains 3 carboxylic groups. So this pathway is also called tricarboxylic acid pathway. 6 carbon atoms of citrate or citric acid convert into cis-aconitic acid. cis-aconitate acid. In this reaction, aconitase MGM is helped and water molecule is released from this reaction. The 6 carbon atoms of cis-aconitate convert into D-isocitrate. D-isocitrate. In this reaction, aconitase MGM is involved and water molecules also utilized in this reaction. The 6 carbon atoms of isocitrate convert into 5 carbon atoms of alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate or alpha ketoglutaric acid. 1 carbon released as a carbon dioxide in presence of isocitrate dehydrogenase MGM. And also in this reaction, 1 NAD plus convert into NADH H plus, and 5 carbon atoms of alpha ketoglutarate or 5 carbon atoms of alpha ketoglutaric acid convert into 4 carbon atoms of succinyl co-MGMA. Succinyl co-MGMA in presence of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase with co-MGMA. In this reaction, 1 carbon released as a carbon dioxide and 1 NAD plus convert into NADH H plus. 4 carbon atoms of succinyl co-MGMA. 4 carbon atoms of succinyl co-MGMA convert into 4 carbon atoms of succinic acid or succinate in presence of succinyl co-MGMA synthetase. Succinyl co-MGMA synthetase. In this reaction, 1 GDP convert into GTP. These are also modified into ATP molecules in plants. ATP molecules in plants. The 4 carbon atoms of succinate or succinic acid convert into 4 carbon atoms of fumarate or fumaric acid in presence of succinic dehydrogenase MGM. Succinic dehydrogenase MGM. In this reaction, 1 FAD plus convert into FADH2. FADH2 and 4 carbon atoms of fumarate or fumaric acid convert into 4 carbon atoms of malic acid in presence of fumarase MGM. In presence of fumarase MGM. In this reaction, water is involved. The 4 carbon atoms of malic acid or malate convert into 4 carbon atoms of oxaloacetic acid in presence of malate dehydrogenase MGM. In this reaction, 1 NAD plus convert into NADH H plus. The 4 carbon atoms of oxaloacetic acid again ready to combine with acetyl co-MGMA. They are involved in the citric acid cycle or in the Krebs cycle. The citric acid cycle also occurs in the matrix of mitochondria. Link reaction, Krebs cycles. These 2 reactions are occurs in the matrix of mitochondria. During these reactions, total from 1 glucose molecules. Total from 1 glucose molecule, 2 pyruvic acids are formed. From each pyruvic acid, 4 NADH H plus molecules, 1 FADH2 molecule, 1 ATP molecule is formed. Total 2 molecules of pyruvic acid means 8 NADH H plus molecules are formed in the matrix of mitochondria. 2 FADH2 molecules are formed in the matrix of mitochondria, and directly developed 2 ATPs. They are present in the matrix of mitochondria. NADH means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogen. FADH2 means flavin amide adenine dinucleotide hydrogen. These NADH H plus and FADH2 are involved in the electron transport system and oxidative phosphorylation to synthesize ATP molecules